Good evening. There's that clearing sky here at Eastern Illinois University, and here are today's high temperatures. We had highs of 57 in Decatur, low high temperatures of 53, so everyone was pretty much in the same ballpark. These are our current conditions here in Charleston, 53 for the temperature. The winds are starting to pick up. They will be dying down though later tonight. Visibility at 10 miles. That's good visibility. We'll explain a little more why that's important in a moment. 32 degrees tonight, though, for the overnight low. Clear and cold. Winds from the northeast will be calming, but we'll have anything we gain today as far as warmth from the sun escaping through the upper atmosphere. Why is the visibility important? Well, some of you like to see a full moon. The full moon arrives tonight at 6:28. Actually, tonight it's only 99%, but who would know by looking at it? Well, maybe astronomers will know. But because of all the clarity, the clear sky, the warmth escaping up through the atmosphere, there is a freeze warning in effect. We'll have low temperatures near 32. Freeze warning will take effect at 2 a.m. for the dark purple shaded area, and for Macon and Christian County, you have a frost warning. So take care of those plants where you can, at the very least by covering them if you can, to keep things going. For tomorrow, we're going to have clear skies and our temperatures will zoom upward, but not quite as high as they should be for this time of year. High temperatures near 60, and this is all pretty much due to a high pressure system moving through the area. You can see evidence of that when we say the winds are light or calm air. That means basically the high pressure system is right above us at that period of time. Helping us to warm up, at least eventually, we do have our sunlight increasing. Our daylight up to more than 13 hours now. We will have a sunset tomorrow night at 7:28 p.m. and happening at about that same time, another moonrise. And this time, tomorrow night, the moonrise will be for a 100% full moon. Recapping our weekend outlook, 60 degrees with brilliant sunshine for Saturday, Sunday, and we want to talk about this very windy winds from the south, bringing things up, that nice Gulf air, 68 degrees for the high, but those winds will be strong. Monday, light rain is possible with a high of 66 degrees. Here's a look at those wind gusts for Sunday morning, up to 40 miles an hour to our west, and so batten down the hatches to some extent. Those winds, by the way, are expected to continue at a very high rate through Tuesday. Now, our 7-day outlook, and you see our average extremes for this time of year, this 7-day period, a high of 67, and maybe Sunday we get above that mark for the high, but for the rest of the 7-day period, we're still at best average and at worst way below normal, continuing with that trend. So it looks like the last remnants of winter are kind of making a last-ditch effort at hanging on. Pretty soon, though, it's going to be May. By the way, Tuesday, the middle of this 7-day period, that is tax day, April 15th, but that is also maybe a turning point for us in the weather, and we're hoping for the best.